Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add image to your Shopify store and how to edit the layout. So first of all, go to online store, pages, and click a page you want to edit, and I have added an image to this page previously. And this is how it looks like. I'll just show you again how to add it. Basically, you have to click on this icon, insert image, and then you can upload the image from your computer. Now, if I want to change the layout of this image so it displays in line within the text, all I have to do is highlight the image, click on this icon, edit image again, and change the layout here. And it's already on the left, but I want the text to wrap around the text to wrap around the image. And then additionally, I would love to add borders, because without it, the text will basically touch the image, and this kind of borders create this kind of very, very comfortable layout, so it looks more professional. So because this image is on the left, I'll have to add right margin and left and bottom margin. Anything between 25 and 35 is good. Save, and automatically this image, the text won't be wrapped as well as I would like it to. So I'll show you what I mean. So if I refresh this page, no, actually it displays well. I could actually get rid of those paragraph breaks so it looks a little bit better. I'll do it within the code, it's just a little bit easier. What I like to do is add opening and closing paragraph breaks before and after the image, because it gives me more control over how the image is displayed. And obviously beginning opening image. So this is the break that adds us this break, and obviously this code as well, so we don't need it after the paragraph break for now. Okay, update or save, and let's check this page now. Those paragraph breaks now should be minimized. Okay, that looks better because those two paragraphs are here. The third paragraph break begins right after the image. So this is the margin 25 and 25, which is nice. Because of this particular page, I will actually get rid of this bottom margin. So this hashtag, this title will go up. So what I'll do, I'll click on this image, so you can play with it if you want to adjust on this page. Click edit image and save, and I'm going to update this page to see how it looks. So this should be gone. Okay, because the margin is gone, obviously the last line is underneath the image. Okay, so I don't like it. Let's return to what it was. Add 25 and edit and save again. Okay, so I suppose we need it, otherwise the text will be displayed. Now I'm not sure what is going on. What are we having here? Let's try that again. No, yeah, this kind of surprises happen, so you cannot. So do not, this is the copied image, so do not panic. Basically edit anything within the code, it's much easier. Get rid of this break, and let's see, save and refresh this page again. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks just as in the beginning, which is what I wanted, so that's perfect. Okay, if you're happy, obviously save, and your page will be ready. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.